How to create email filters in Gmail. This tutorial shows you how to filter and sort your emails by different criteria on your Android device. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. After that, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. From there, you'll see a row of filter drop-down options appearing just below the search bar. At this point, you'll find options like labels, from, to, attachment, date, and more. You can even exclude calendar updates from your results. In the next step, if you want to filter by label, tap on the Labels dropdown to open it. Following this, you'll see a list of pre-made labels like starred, snoozed, and important, as well as any custom labels you've created yourself. Once done, tap on any label to instantly view all emails that have been tagged with that label. From here, if you want to filter emails from a specific sender, tap on the From dropdown instead. At this stage, select the sender's email address from the list, and Gmail will immediately show you all emails received from that person. Finally, the same process applies to all the other filter options. Simply tap on the dropdown that matches what you're looking for and select your preferred option to filter your inbox accordingly. And that's that. If this Gmail guide helped you filter and organize your emails, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.